What's going on, YouTube? It's your guy Be More Bread back with another video for you. This time we're doing an install on a Grom clone. I will be changing, finally, upgrading the carburetor on this thing. Going to a Mikuni 22 millimeter. Should have went with a 24 apparently from what everyone is saying. Ordered the 22 and we'll see how it goes. Stick around as we get this install going. Got the whole right side of the bike off. Should have enough room to do what we need to do here. Main tools you will need is just a Phillips screwdriver and 5/16 socket wrench to get this whole side off. It is a pain in the ass. You do have to flex stuff a little bit. Just try not to crack anything. I didn't crack anything, but still, it is a pain in the ass. See the fuel filter there, that looks kind of dirty too. But yeah, it's tedious more than anything. Here's the part I took off, the whole side. Bunch of Phillips head screws and a little 5/16 screws. My daughter's bike there, lowrider ass chilling there. All right, let's keep going. So once you get the panels off, the air box does have a bolt right there holding it in, and that bolt is 7/16. My camera zoom in, focus 7/16. So go ahead and break those loose, and let's keep going. These are loose as hell, man. I could have probably broke them loose by hand actually. And that should be your box right there. Broken loose. Air box is out. Stock carb. Basically, you just loosen that clamp up right there. 2 bolts on top. Air box this side, left and right side. Loosen the clamp, and air box comes out. Let's keep going. Alright, one thing, drain your gas. I don't have a gas container with me, and I started taking this apart and I got gas all over my hands, so do as I say and not as I do. Drain your gas. Carb is out and all this shit right here. I'm not familiar with what that is, but my carburetor is out. All these lines and stuff will be going as well. I believe that one doesn't go anywhere. That's just a vent. Oh yeah, that's a vent line, so that's going as well. This choke will be going as well because the carburetor I got has one built right on the side of it, so this cable right here will be coming out. So not only will we be upgrading the car, we actually going to be losing looks like a lot of weight. Carb is on, filter is on. Should fire up now. We might have to tune it a little bit. Yep. I have to tune this thing a little bit. Let's see. Gotta go all the way in, and then come out on it. going. did an adjustment, got it idling at around 2,000 RPM. That is where we have to be. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, let me know. Sounds good so far. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this line off, and then I'm gonna find like a little, I'm gonna cut like a piece of sheet metal or something to put on the inside of here. Use like a soda can or something, just to block that off. And then I'm gonna cut this off right here on this side. That way I don't have this big old line. I've seen a couple people crush this and just leave it like that, but I'm gonna cut this off, cut like a soda can, sheet metal or something, and put it on the inside. Use this piece here as a bracket, as a block off plate. All right, look like everything's on there. Might have it. Still gonna have to tune this a little bit better. I don't like the way that it high up on the RPM right there. I had it at 2,000. It sounds like that's when it warms up a little bit. Idles a little bit better. But that's pretty much it. Let's get all these plastics and stuff back on and take it for a ride. We got another one. Grom number 2. He's scared as shit, right?